Chapter 9 is about the power of the mastermind. Picture this, a rocket's thrust that propels you towards your dreams at lightning speed. If this intrigues you, buckle up, because we're diving into a realm where collaboration meets exponential growth, where minds unite to craft success stories beyond imagination. Imagine surrounding yourself with a tribe of visionaries, each possessing a unique set of skills, knowledge, and insights. This is the magic of the mastermind, a collective genius that turbocharges your journey. Think about it, minds harmonizing to create an intangible force, a force that drives your aspirations to new heights. It's like having your very own council of mentors, propelling you towards success faster than you ever dreamed possible. Now, let's paint a picture with practical examples. 1. Imagine a room filled with entrepreneurs, each sharing their triumphs and challenges. The collective wisdom becomes a treasure trove, guiding you to dodge pitfalls and embrace strategies that elevate your business to new dimensions. 2. Envision artists, writers, and innovators converging to brainstorm and co-create. The diverse perspectives spark innovative ideas that ignite industries, transforming dreams into reality. 3. Think of a group of fitness enthusiasts uniting for a common goal. The camaraderie fuels determination, helping everyone achieve their health aspirations with unwavering support. 4. Imagine a study group diving into intricate subjects. The exchange of insights magnifies understanding, propelling each member to grasp concepts faster and more comprehensively. 5. Visualize a circle of individuals sharing strategies for wealth accumulation. The combined expertise creates a wealth of knowledge, enabling everyone to march confidently towards financial freedom. A mastermind group can be a game changer on your journey to success. Here are some tips to help you get started. Going to networking events like industry-related conferences, seminars, or workshops can help you engage with like-minded individuals who share your passions and goals. Exchange contacts and start building connections that could eventually lead to a mastermind group. Joining online communities, social media groups, forums, or platforms dedicated to your field of interest is another option. By engaging in discussions, showcasing your expertise, and connecting with individuals who resonate with your vision. Many online groups evolve into powerful mastermind circles. Remember, the key is to be proactive, open to new connections, and to express your interest in forming a mastermind group. Be genuine, share your goals, and identify individuals who resonate with your vision. Over time, these connections can evolve into a powerful and supportive mastermind alliance that propels everyone to new heights. If you're as excited as I am about this journey, let's embark on an adventure together. Smash that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-transforming insights. It's time to unlock the incredible potential of the mastermind. For faster results, check the playlist to listen to the next chapters. We wish you a powerful day. Subscribe for more.